This bag is gonna be embarrassing.
February VoxBox, the sweetheart one, and the little heart. So, let me get the disclaimer out of the way. I am not paid for any of the reviews. These products are all complimentary from Influencer for my testing purposes. That being said, all of these opinions are my own. I am not paid for any of it. If you would like to be a part of the Influencer community, you can go to their website and request for an invite. Or, if you want to get a little faster, I have 4 invites left. Just send me a message and I'll send it to you. Okay, so I got this in the mail yesterday. I've been wanting to get into it because everybody on Twitter has been, oh, my VoxBox game, can't imagine. Or, yeah, all excited. But I had to get my husband on a plane. Frickin' Navy. That's why I stay home. And that's also why there was no January hits or misses. Being on terminal leave, getting everything situated with him. There will be January, February hits and misses. But anyway, I've been wanting to open this box, but I've been waiting to do it with you guys. So here's my trusty scissors. Let's go! Okay, so there is, go from small to big. Yeah. We've got Skinny Girl Daily Skinny Girl on the go bars. This is coconut with peanut butter. Yummy. They are 180 calories per bar, natural, kosher, and high fiber. Good thing my diet doesn't start until tomorrow. Got a wedding in April, and I need to fit into a dress that I already have. Or at least got the dress already. So, be snacking on this little baby tonight. Hopefully my son doesn't take it from me, like he does my popcorn. So you might get my review plus a toddler review. Next we have Not Your Mother's Beach Babe Texturizing Sea Salt. It's a nice size. Kind of hard to hold. I'm excited. It's supposed to give you beachy waves. Living in Virginia. Go to the beach a lot in the summer. Spring, summer, fall. Depending on how hot it gets. But, yeah. I love how the beach makes my hair all wavy. And now that I'm starting to grow it out and not have the navy haircut, excited to try this a little bit. Yeah. It actually smells pretty good too. It's dead sea salt. Well, the dead sea salt. Yeah. And sea kelp. So it does smell kind of salty sweet. Yeah. Deodorant, because you gotta be fresh. This is the Secret Clinical Strength Stress Response in Serene Citrus scent. It's proven stress sweat protection. Being in the Navy, I've actually used the Secret Clinical Protection. And I do like it. But I don't think I've ever had the stress sweat protection one. So, Now with my husband being on, there's going to be a lot of stress, especially with last night when the cops in my backyard setting off my security system. And then again today, somebody was in my backyard. You'd think a privacy fence and 2 big dogs would keep people away, but obviously not. Need to get an electric fence. But, and yes, it does. It smells citrusy, but it's not. It's a fresh citrus, not like, whoo, you smell like you got oranges under your armpits. No, it's fresh. And then you got glare from the window. Olay Fresh Effects Vava Vivid. They claim 400%. Not just 1, not 2, not 3, but 400% better cleaning. And it also comes with Shine Shine Go Away cleanser. So, this is getting put to the test tonight, tomorrow morning, tomorrow night, next morning, the next night, the next morning, the next night, until I have a good impression to do a review. So, it's actually a decent sized compared to the hand. Shine Shine Go Away. It's a nice scent. Doesn't smell too soapy, too chemical-y-ish. And there that is compared to the hand. It's a little rubbery. And the button right there. It's not really loud. It doesn't feel too abrasive. So, we will find out. Where'd the box go? I'll do a free review. Read all their claims in the review. But this is supposed to help with the getting in the contoured areas. I don't know if you can, like the T's on around in the eye area. So we'll see. So, but ease of opening is just, give that a 5 out of 5. Super easy. Keep your eyes out. Full reviews in about a week, maybe less, depending on how well, since I already know how well this stuff works. But all the product descriptions, prices, and everything, I will put in the description box. So if you're interested, it'll be down there, obviously. But this was the Influencer Sweetheart VoxBox 2013. If you're part of Influencer, you know they had 2 going on this month. They had this one and a New York Fashion Week one. Glad I got this one. Really don't get into all that. I said, Valentine's Day might only last 24 hours, but we're celebrating love the entire month of February. This is the first VoxBox of 2013, and lucky you. You're one of our sweethearts. Roses, candy hearts, and now VoxBoxes are all standard when it comes to love. And then blog and blah, 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 blah. So, I'm excited to try all these. Like I said, if you want an invite, let me know. I got 4 left. I know I'm forgetting to say stuff. I really need a list. I used to do lists. Then I became a mom, and they all just went out the window. Because toddlers and babies don't stick to lists. I remembered what I was gonna say. You'd think this was blonde. Was when I was born. Don't forget to subscribe and follow Twitter, Instagram, Pinterest, blog. Have any ideas, any videos you want to see? Shoot me an email. So, fair winds following seas. See you next time.